Welcome student. Today I am going to explain chapter 2 Heat Metal Around the Fluid part 5. First of all we have to explain solution. What is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, salt solution made up of salt and water. Sugar solution made up of sugar and water. Vinegar made up of silica and water. Metal alloy made up of metal in another metal, and air are the examples of solution. A solution has two components, solvent and solute. So solution can be made by solvent plus solute make solution. For example, water and sugar make sugar solution. So now we have to know about what is solvent and what is solute. So solvent, the liquid in which solute is dissolved is known as solvent. For example, water, alcohol, benzene are solvents. There are two types of solvent: aqueous solvent and non-aqueous solvent. Aqueous solvents are water and non-aqueous solvents are alcohol, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, etc. Now we have to explain solute. The substance which is dissolved in a liquid to make a solution is called solute. For example, sugar, salt, acids are examples of solutes. A solution can be classified as aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. What is an aqueous solution? The solutions made by dissolving various solutes in water is called aqueous solution. For example, sugar solution, salt solution, vinegar are the examples of aqueous solution. On the other hand, non-aqueous solutions are the solutions made by dissolving various solutions in an organic solvent are called non-aqueous solutions. For example, paint, tincture of iodine, etc. are the examples of non-aqueous solutions. Now we have to know about the properties of solutions. What are the properties of solutions? First, it is a homogeneous mixture. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures. The size of solute particles in a solution is extremely small. It is less than 1 nanometer in diameter. That means it is very small. The measurement of 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Next property, the particles of solution cannot be seen even with a microscope. Fourth one, the particles of a solution pass through the filter paper. So we do not apply filtration for the separation of solution particles. Fifth one, solutions are very stable. That means it cannot settle down in any condition. Next one, a true solution does not scatter light, so it does not show Tyndall effect. Now we have to know types of aqueous solutions. The various types of solutions are: first one is solution of solid in a solid. Metal alloys are the solution of solids in solids. For example, brass is a solution of zinc and copper. Both zinc and copper are solid. So these solution are solution of a solid in another solid. Second one is solution of solid in a liquid. This is the most common type of solution. For example, sugar solution, salt solution are solutions of solids in liquids. Another one is solution of liquid in a liquid. For example, vinegar is a solution of acetic acid in water. Fourth one is solution of gas in a liquid. For example, soda water in a solution is a solution of carbon dioxide gas in water, and last one is solution of a gas in a gas. For example, air is a solution of gases like oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and water vapor in nitrogen. There is 78% of nitrogen in atmosphere, and so it is a solvent, and other gases are solutes in this case. So this is the about the solution. Now we explain suspension in next class. Okay.